turns to rust in the days aftermath. We were 2 pages in one timeless book, bound by a glance and a quiet long look. Silver hair shine like the stars up above. The clock keeps on ticking, the seasons must turn, but deep in the embers, the old fires burn. You are the ink in the lines of my song, the harbor I see when the winter is alone. Safe in my heart, where you always belong. And no rocking chair on a porch in the shade, counting the beautiful debts we have paid. The garden may wither when winter draws near, but your gentle laughter is all that I hear. Time is a shadow that stretches away. The clock keeps on ticking, the seasons must turn, but deep in the embers, the old fires burn. You are the ink in the lines of my song, the harbor I seek when the winter is alone. Safe in my heart, where you always belong. Look at the tapestry woven with years, threads made of laughter and salt from the tears. We built up a castle on steady old ground, no longer chasing the ghost to be found. The world moves so fast, but we know how to wait, reading the map that was written by fate. The music won't fade when the record is done. We are the shadow and we are the sun.